All right, YouTube, we're on a 2022 Jeep Compass. We're trying to add a key with the Autel iM508. So the gateway module is straight back. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but basically right behind here. You can see it right there, that white label. I'll circle it in the video. That's the SGM right there. For me to get to it, I took the panel off right here, which is 2 Phillips screws, and then a couple of clips, and then you had to pull a side piece off, which is just clips, and then there was 3 T27 screws to take the rest of it off, and then just unplug it, and then you reach underneath here to get to the module to get it unplugged. And I've got my 12/8 cable in there, and now we're gonna see if I'm able to actually pull a pin and program here. So it's a 2022 Compass smart key. And I have a learned key, but it's not in the vehicle with me. Just hit OK. Control unit. See if we can read the password here. Ignition off, hazards on. All right, there's our there's our password right there. So now we should be good to learn keys. Or a key. So key learning. Let's check the number of keys. Current keys is 2. I'm gonna add a key. Place the smart key in the central lock near the shift bar. All right, it says OEM key. I've got an aftermarket key, but I bet it works. And our password. It's telling me just to hit. I didn't hear anything beep. Let's see what it tells us here, if it failed or if it took it. So it didn't time out. I think it took it, but now it's saying. All right, so it did learn. I didn't hear anything beep or anything to indicate that it took it, but it did go to 3, so we're gonna hit no because we don't want any more keys. And look at that, key locks, unlocks. All right, perfect. So now I just got to get it back in here and unplug my 12/8 cable, get my SGM connected back, and put the panel back on, reverse order that it came off, which would be hopefully pretty straightforward. And I think that's all I got to say on this one here. It's a 2022 Compass, adding a smart key with the iM508. If you guys have questions or comments, as always, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.